Here we have a 2017 BMW 435D XDRIVE M Sport GRAN Coupe. Now this vehicle comes with 19-inch black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition. We also have the blue M Sport brake calipers just behind. We have the carbon black metallic paintwork, the adaptive LED headlights, we have the two gloss black front kidney grills as well. Round to the passenger side, you'll find that we have the second alloy wheel. If we take a closer look, you'll find again excellent condition. We also have the side skirts along the bottom, colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you'll find the shark fin antennae. We also have the rear spoiler lip just there as well. There is a close look at the third alloy wheel. We also have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. Around to the rear you find the twin pipe exhaust just on the left. We also have a power assisted tailgate which will open with a simple press of a button. Now inside of here you'll find plenty of space for whatever you may need. As you can see, very large. We also have a button just up there. If we press that, it will close just like so. Coming back round now to the driver's side, you'll find that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look now at the interior. So inside of here you'll find the full blue leather interior. We have the foldable armrest in the centre, the fixed ISO points as well, the vents for the rear passengers. On the doors you'll find the premium Harman Kardon sound system. We have the electric windows as well. Coming into the front you'll find that we have the same full leather interior. Both of these front seats are electrically adjustable and they are also both heated. The driver's side has the memory function just down there. Again, the electric windows which are for the rear, electric mirrors as well, premium Harman Kardon just there. We have the auto lights as well, the auto wipers, a multifunctional steering wheel with paddle shifters either side. If we take a seat inside, you'll find that we have the high beam assist just there, the carbon fibre as well, just here, effect, the cruise control and the speed limiter. If you put our foot on the brake and press the start button, you'll find the digital dashboard just up top. Now we can switch between different views on here just by pressing the different drive modes. So we have the Eco Pro, you'll find it changes the dials just there. Same with the Comfort and also the Sport drive mode. Moving across into the centre console you find the main infotainment screen. That warning triangle is only for the fuel, so nothing to worry about. If the screen is flickering, that's just the camera again, so nothing to worry about. It's not like that in reality. On here you'll find the sat nav just there. We also have a range of media as well, such as the radio. You find the FM, DAB and AM radio, the music collection, the CD and DVD, the Bluetooth audio and the USB. We also have the phone connectivity just there as well. Going into the main menu, if you go into the notifications, as you can see the only warning is for the fuel, so that can be sorted very easily. We have the technology in action, which is where you find the sport displays just there. We also have the ambient lighting, so if you go onto the vehicle settings, this is where you find the ambient lighting just there. And again, you have the different drive modes, so we have the Eco Pro, we have the Comfort, Sport and the Sport Plus. Further down you find the climate control. We have the heated seats on either side, ice cold air conditioning as well, all working just as it should do, as you can see. Further down you find some storage space. We also have two good sized cup holders hidden away, 12-volt connectivity, you have the gear stick, we also have the drive mode buttons just there, the parking sensors, the traction control button as well. All of the shortcuts for the infotainment screen, nice leather armrest just here, which can be opened up for more storage. Inside of there you find another USB port. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you want to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, HPI clear, competitive finance deals and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.